Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily disable contact sharing on your iPhone. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, also write comments after watching the video, and let's get started. So, for this, we will need to go into our phone settings. After that, we're going to scroll down a little bit. We're going to go to Basic. And this is where we find the AirDrop section. Next, we find Device Merge. As you can see, at the moment I, for example, had this function enabled. Most likely, it will be automatically enabled for you as well. And thanks to this feature, you will be able to share contacts by name or photos or any other files. If you have your iPhone phone, put the top of the phone to the other iPhone. And if you just want to disable this feature, then you need to click on the button near the device merge. Like that, and that's how easy it is to disable this feature. I hope this video was helpful to you. You have seen how you can disable contact sharing on your iPhone. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, write your comments, be sure to put likes, and see you soon.